welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually go ahead and play the main GUI. So the main GUI we'll be building today, and we're gonna make some collision detection, some stuff. We have to do a lot. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, let's create a scene. Now on the scene, we need to save the scene as a GUI.unity format. Now go ahead. Now we have a scene. Now click on the camera and change the position, change the color a little bit. Okay, after you do that, we will be having like this. Now over there, now go ahead and create a UI, and we need to create a button. So UI button, and the button we'll be using. Now go ahead and click on the button, and as you can see, we have a lot of stuff. First of all, we have the canvas, which will be the drawing area. The event system will handle every event on this platform. If we hit on click, it means so whenever we click it, what will happen? That will be determined by the event. Now in the button will do. Button has a, as you can see, if you expand it, you have a text in it. You can change it up the text right now. The button is the parent of the text, as you can see, guys. Now you can change the position of every other. Look, I am just like changing the position. Change the x-axis and the y-axis. Now go and just use your things, use your like sliders and things to actually position it. Now let's name it start. Now this button will go load up our game. The load up will be our game. Now go ahead and create another button and name them. Again, I made it two buttons. Now one button will be the child, as you can see. Now go ahead and click another button and change up the position. And also make sure to change up the text. Now go ahead and just as you can see right now, like this, just position it up. Position it up. After you are happy with your result, go ahead and change up the text of the button, just like before. Now go ahead and run our. I didn't run on this messed up. By the way, this is a pre-recorded video, so it will be hard to actually explain. Okay, so deal with that. Change up your buttons to say button, start button and a quit button. After you do that, go in. We have our buttons and position it right. As you can see, it's looking really good, maybe not, I don't know. Now on your, as you can see, we have a thing called on click. On click will say, hey, what will happen if I click on the button? Now we need to add two scripts. First one will be the start GUI button. And make sure to subscribe for more episodes. And go ahead and go open it up in your favorite text editor. Mine one is Visual Studio Code. Now what we have now, what we need is we just need a function, public function. Make sure to write public. Okay, make sure to write public before then. I didn't write it, there's a mistake, I'm gonna fix it later. Okay, just go ahead and write public void start. Okay, now if you are using to like load up scenes, you need a namespace called using in Unity engine.scene manager. I don't know what was happening back then, but it is not popping out. I don't know why. Okay, after you guys do that, you will be fine with scene manager Now this is the problem. I can't actually see it. I don't know what was the problem. I actually rewrote it for that because I was thinking, is there any problems or something? And it fixed automatically. It doesn't do anything like wrong. Now go ahead and write scene manager dot load scene and go ahead and write game. Now where did game came from? If you just open up your new script, you can see that there is a folder called the scenes. Go ahead and click it and change the thing called game. Go ahead and pop your scripts to the start and what did I did there? And pop into the start. Yeah, I did that right. Now on here you can see that there is a thing called object. Now what you need to do is go ahead and put your own script there you go. Now in the functions panel, I will notice right now that I can't actually see it. I can't actually access it because it was private. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and just fix it up. Just write public after it. There you go. That's how you have to do that. It's so simple. Okay. Now another mistake was I didn't add scenes to the scene manager tab. What you need to do is click on edit and go to file and build settings and create on, and it will be messed up. Maybe it will messed up. It will not work. It is not working. Now I'm gonna panic a little bit at this point. Go ahead and go to file. Dang it, go to file. There you go. File and build settings. On here, as you can see, click on add open scene. Just click it once. Just add open scene. It will add automatically. Yeah. After you do that, go ahead and close it, and it should run fine. Bam! That's how simple it was. Now there is a problem that I really forget how to actually go ahead and make the quit button. I really forget that how hard it was to actually create a quit button, but it was so simple. What you need to do is just write scene manager dot unload scene, and whatever the scene you wanna just type it out, right? And there is thousands upon thousands of ways to actually go ahead and make this script, but I chose this way because that was a little easy for the beginners and also for me because I'm a total noob. I know. Okay, but I tried my best to actually told you guys. Okay, write public void and quit game. Now you have to do is just write scene manager. And I just forgot to write UEC. As you can see, it's now fine. It's now, I don't know how it's fine. You can say using Unity Engine dot scene manager. There you go. How simple it was. Now go write scene manager dot I wrote load scene manager dot unload scene and whatever. But you have to write a scene manager dot unload scene and whatever you want to unload. You have to actually write scene manager and unload scene async. I don't know what the heck is that. I was like trying to load, but I just figured it out what it was and how I should do it, and I just messed it up. Yeah, I messed up another time. Okay, write scene manager dot unload scene and the game. Now it will give me an actually not an error, it's an what statement that uses scene manager async. It was a warning. That says scene manager async, but I just click on it and just write async. After I write that, it should be fine. Now the quit button will not work anyways, because it's not like you can't like quit up the scene or something. You have to manually know what will work and what will not, I'm sure. And make sure to add those scenes. I'm just rechecking it. And clear up the things, and let's